pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you because I'm going to make a gift card box for the baby shower. So I went to my local dollar store, the Dollarama, and got these two beautiful boxes that I'm going to put together and make the envelope box. These are super cute. This one was $3. And the smaller one was $2. I love the color that they are, but for the sake of the shower, I need them to be, solid without the polka dots. So I am going to paint them, and I will come back and get into the project. So I will be painting the boxes. The bottom one I'm going to paint in white, and the top one is going to be in this baby blue color, but solid. I'm using these acrylic paints that I picked up at the Dollarama, this white one, and then I couldn't find a baby blue one, but I got this one that's a deep blue. And what I'm going to do is I will be mixing it with the white until I get the desired blue color that I am looking for. I have mixed it to this blue, very light blue, and I absolutely love this color. So I am going to begin painting the top box with this beautiful color that I have mixed together. Okay, penny pinchers, so the boxes have dried. This is what the blue one looks like. Came out really pretty. I'm very pleased with the mix of blue that I did. And the other one is white. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut the center of the cover of the white one out, as well off the bottom of the blue one. That way when I stack it, there is an opening for the envelopes to fall in. I'm also going to make a slight opening at the top where your envelopes will drop in, and then it will go all the way to the bottom. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have finished cutting out all the spaces that I need to make the box. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to embellish it and make it look beautiful. So to help me make this box beautiful and glamorous, I will be using some beautiful items from totallydazzled.com. And this is my Totally Dazzled bling wrap that I will be using today, along with some beautiful jewels, absolutely gorgeous, some brooches, different pieces to help me make this box beautiful. Let's do this. How about I do a giveaway? The first person to leave me a comment in my comment section and tell me the last project that I did that I used Totally Dazzled items in, I will give you credit to shop towards some of these beautiful items from totallydazzled.com. So again, the first person to leave me a comment, the correct answer in my comment section below, and let me know the last project that I did and I used Totally Dazzled items. All right. So using my hot glue gun, I am going to add this bling wrap all the way around the bottom box, all the way around, using my hot glue gun. have put my bling wrap all the way around the box, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. The next step that I will be doing is I'll be taking the lid off the smaller box, and I will be doing the same thing with the bling ribbon, and I'm just going to put it all the way around the lid itself using my hot glue gun. And this is what we're looking like so far, penny pinchers. Added all our bling to the bottom box as well as to the lid of the top box. I have glued the boxes together, as you can see. Has a deep hole on the inside so that your cards can fall all the way to the bottom. And we are going to move on to our next steps. Okay, penny pinchers, I've added all the bling. I've added some to the base of the bottom box as well, because you know how I hate when the seam shows at the joining of the two boxes. So I've put a strand of bling wrap around it, and I've also covered the opening so that it takes the raw edge look away from it. I also went ahead and added this cute little ribbon that I found. I had gotten it at the Dollarama for $1.25, and it is see-through, so it doesn't take away from the color of the top box. And I just made a bow. What I'll be doing now to top off the look is to add some of the bling from Totally Dazzled to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, play around with it a little bit, see which pieces fits where best, and then I will come back with the final product. Okay, penny pinchers, here is the finished product, all done in all of its glory. I've added the pieces from Totally Dazzled, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. Add that beautiful touch of elegance to this gift box. You can use this gift box, I'm using it for a baby shower, but you could use it for a party. You can use it for a wedding. It is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you, Totally Dazzled. And don't forget to leave me the correct answer in the comment section below, and let me know which other project did I use the Totally Dazzled piece in for an opportunity to get some credit toward your Totally Dazzled purchase at totallydazzled.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I truly do appreciate you stopping by, and I welcome you. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And to all my wonderful penny pinchers, thank you guys so much as always. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until my next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.